Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm MoneyMarrowTech, and today we have not one but two new incredible products by Anker. If you're looking for a way to keep your device charged, I got you covered. Right here we have your Anker power brick, offering up to 25k milliamps. And if you wanted to keep everything charged up and on the go, we have your 140 watt power brick. All right, so real quick, let's talk about the power bank. So this offer up to 165 watts. It can charge up to 4 devices. I have 2 built-in Type-Cs and 2 additional ports right here on the side. So down here you have your Type A, Type-C, a button. We will talk about it in a little bit. Right here on top you have a Type-C, which is retractable and push down on the magnet, and then you have a built-in one that also double as your carrier. If you want to put it on a D-ring, put it in your bag, or hold it like this, you're more than welcome to. All 3 Type-Cs have an in and out, so that means you can plug it up and it will charge from every Type-C port you have. So that port, over here, down here, you can charge it up and it will push out about 95 to 100 watts to charge it up. All right. Right here is your display. Right now it's showing the battery percentage. Our battery percentage at 80%. Have a little icon right there at the front with a smiley face, give you a wink. If you click on the button right here, it will take you to the battery temperature. Right now it's showing the battery temperature is good, safe, and then the battery health, and then the cycle count. So this is supposed to go up to 3 million cycles. We'll see over time. But that's what it's supposed to be rated for. And then real quick, we'll plug something up so you can see how it looks when it's charging something. So over here, plug up my phone. And then it's going to calibrate it. So right now it's going up to 20 watts. And you can cycle through it again. Battery still temperature is still fine, battery health is still fine, and 84%, and pushing out 20 watts, just like so. And then obviously if you want to plug up more stuff like a laptop or your phone together and stuff, you can, and it will give you plenty of juice because it's supposed to push out a total of 165 watts. When it comes down to your 140 watt power bricks, you have 3 Type-Cs, Type A, right here is your display, and your prongs that fold in and out. When you plug this bad boy up, it does display stuff as well. It displays 140 watts available. If you click on this again, it gives you a little animation, so you got a little face, kind of sleeping right now, so it's waiting for you to plug something up. Click on the display, showing you 0 watt going out. It show you nothing it be inputted, and then the battery temperature right now of the temperature of the brick. When you do plug something up to it, it will display the watts as well. So real quick, here we go again. I plug up my phone. It'll recalibrate. So right now there it goes. It's displaying 22 watts. Click the button again. It'll show you temperature is still good. 22 watts is going out. And then side note as well, if you had this plugged upside down, if you hold this button down, it will start turning it for you. Do it again, upside down, and then pretty much back to the other side, and do it again, back down. Which quick little side note, so if you did have to plug sideways, upside down, you will be able to see your display as well. And then obviously as you plug up more devices, you will be able to see more input and output of everything else you have as well. So real quick, plug up action camera, you can recalibrate, and it's going to do the same thing. Phone 22 watts, and then a little action camera 4 watts for charge. Real quick, let's go ahead and do another example. I'm gonna plug up my phone, and I'm gonna plug up the power brick using its own built-in Type-C cord to plug in, and it's going to recalibrate. So right now battery temperature is still normal. I say high performance mode is good. Right now we're pushing out 88 watts, going to 89. So right here shows we're pushing out 67 watts to the power brick and 22 watts to the phone. And then on here it shows that we are getting an input of 67 watts and battery temperature is fine still. Health is fine as well. And then people asked me the other day, you think this will be able to allow you to, you think this will be able to let you plug up something else if you are using the charger? And I say yes, why not? So let's go ahead and try it out real quick. Plug up the camera. And as you see, even though I have something plugged up to it, I'm still getting, you know, the 5 watts or 7 watts is needed now. So now it's going up 10 watts. So it's showing you right here, it's going through pass through. It will actually display pass through power going through. So now it'll show you still 34 minutes to fully charge, 80% minutes. And then click on the button. We're still receiving 87 watts. 87 watts. Sorry, correction, 67 watts, and 7 watts is going out. Overall, guys, I think these items are very, the refinement of them are very nice. I like that this Anker power brick has not one, but 2 built-in Type-Cs. It's very clutch. I like it has offered up to 165 watts. So even if you was on the go and plugging up a laptop, plugging your phone together at the same time, you have plenty of juice. 25,000 milliamps is plenty of enough juice for, you know, charge your laptop at least twice, charge your phone probably, you know, depending on the phone you have, about 3 or 4 times at minimum. And then taking this with it as well as a bonus on the go definitely will help out a lot. 140 watts output. This is definitely a very thought up idea. I like how they don't have the ports in the front. You know, people used to, you know, plugging your cords in and getting all jammed up. I know I have before, you know, something like this where you plug it up in the front and then behind your desk or behind the couch, something like that, and it all mess up your cords. This right here I did was perfectly on them. I like how they did this a lot for the redesign and how they integrated a display so you can see the appropriate wattage going out per device I have or display for everything else. All right, guys, so that pretty much summed it up. These brand new Anker products are amazing. I like the new design. I like the built-in Type-C in this one. How not only do you have one, but have 2 Type-Cs, which is very clutch. You know, carry around another cable with me, but I would want to, because I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get it just perfect with these 2 cords that are already built in. So I like the fact that it's come with not 1 but 2 built-in cables, and I like the redesign of this output for this 140 watts. How they have the cords hanging downwards or upwards, however you do it, because the display does change change whatever way you put it at. So overall, I like the new Anker products, and they are very, very amazing and clutch. If it's the first time on my channel, guys, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, please don't feel shy. Go ahead and leave it down below. I'll try my best to answer it as soon as possible. I am MoneyMarrowTech. See you next one. Peace.